Hey guys, it's Burgers here, and in this video I'll show you how to get experience very fast, and best place to actually get experience. For me, this is in the Goblin Lair. Currently there is even an event for this thing, which is hard training. So yeah, let's get some points and actually get some experience. We're going to go in the Goblin Lair. The great thing here is you can just travel fast, and you can find Goblin Lair on the map. Basically is from here at Helian, and you just go up. I mean, it's one of the starting places, so yeah, let's fast travel there and hopefully we get some experience to level up our heroes. Leveling heroes is very important. Currently I'm on the stage 3 in the challenge difficulty. This is, I guess, the stamina in the game, so yeah, let's make one challenge. And maybe we're going to level some of the heroes. Now, huge suggestion for me. Okay, let's do the fight. I'll do on auto, is just pointless. By the way, here the auto attacks are very nice, since they're going to bring you the hero that is hitting multiple targets. You're going to actually find very useful this. Okay, we're going further. This is my team in general. I use some of the epic heroes I actually get. I think I actually find great value in the epic heroes that I managed to summon. And it's not so hard actually to get the epic hero. You can get it from all kind of summonings. I mean, there is 3 summonings right now. And yeah, it's not so hard to get some epic. My epic heroes is mostly poison heroes. I don't know, the game just give me poison heroes, but still, this one is actually very good hero, and she's one of the starting heroes you're going to start the game with. I like the healer also, that is not here, but you're also going to get one healer. So yeah, currently this is the stage. We just go there and kill all the mobs. They're level 35. I think you start with level 15 if I remember correctly, so you just have to defeat level 15 or maybe level 5. I really don't remember the stage 1, but yeah, this is the current stage I'm in. I'm with this hero, the red-haired woman with the fireballs. Still new in the game, but yeah, I hope this tip actually help you. Now here's very important thing. After you get your XP potion, this is tiny XP potion, and this is XP potion, which is giving 4000 experience. So let's go back, and as you can see, this hero is actually level cap. Try to not actually get capped hero, and always when you go for farming this experience potion, try to find some heroes that actually don't have that have to level up. Like you see, my rest of the heroes are getting 200 XP. This is something that I didn't know when I actually start doing the farming, because you're going to need some crystals to actually level up the heroes, and you're going to start at the level 30. The max level you can go from the start is level 30. And after this you can go for upgrade, and from here you can actually upgrade your hero to the next level, which can be from 50 to level 70. So yeah, go farm some potion, and of course leave some XP for your heroes to level up till you do this farming. I think it's a great idea. So yeah, I guess this will be for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you do, hit one like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.